Education is therapy. We all ruminate about scribe all times without ruminating about the surgeon that we end on for results. The sympathy slows our travel and resets our thought as the future is unpredictable. All we think about is the present moment, though the unproven life is a pit without a rich mind. We all yearn for a better zoo as the increase of wishing people destroy the good fortune of our thoughts. Like a lion in a cave, we all target for the better moment to strike the prey that patrols nearby. Therapy of our lives is what we need, which is education that have no expired date, but work day by day. Like a lion groaning in a zoo, education is calling us near the glint of great success. We all make the same sound about the same lion, which is education. We all dream to fly, but with the vex that dreams to stop us, we fail. All in all, education is therapy for all situations. For I am the only young poet, Sbu the poet. Thank you.